LockSmith, right?
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Perfect. You found me.
Yes, the first time. Nice to meet you. So you need just open the car. You are the owner. You leave.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, everything's
It's in the trunk. Okay.
But there's a trunk button underneath the seat.
Okay.
You do this a lot.
Every day. Let me see.
Do you have a wife or girlfriend?
No.
Ah, damn. I was like, she must think you come in handy if this happens to her.
There you go.
Easy.
Easy.
Okay, now it's done.
It's done?
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you too.